What is going on, guys? You guys really seemed to respond pretty well to my walk around of my Golf R. I haven't really done very many videos with this car. Considering how much you guys actually liked that video, I'm gonna do another video here now. I'm actually here recording for another purpose, but I figure I gotta wait a little longer for the sun to go down. Perfect time to do another walk around of my car. Also a little bit of an update. The box is no longer on the car, it's on my BMW, so everything else is the same. Alright guys, so here is my 2013 Volkswagen Golf R. It is running the APR Stage 2 Plus 91 octane tune. The car is currently running some aftermarket wheels. These are Drag DR33 gloss black. I got them through Discount Tire. They're a little bit dirty, but these guys actually look really badass, and the price, I couldn't beat it. So this tire here, funny story, actually ran over a rock that a homeless guy kicked into the road. So the only reason I even got new wheels was because when I ran over that rock, it broke the wheel and blew the tire on this side. So when I got the new wheels, this guy got a new tire. These two rears are actually a set. I got the car with those guys. And the other side over here used to be a set on the front. So now this and those two are separate tires. Kind of makes for a weird ride sometimes, but I'll get around to changing the tires. It really just kind of got put on the back burner, and it hasn't been bad enough to be a priority. Alright, so as you can see here, these are the APR tips off of the catback. Alright, in the back seat, I actually removed the entire back seat. Because I have leather seats, the back seat alone was 70 pounds. So I actually removed it, and I went and got this carpeting here for subwoofer boxes, and I actually just kind of laid it across. I tucked it underneath my trunk liner and kind of just laid it through around all of my stuff here, and just kind of sits here. Now if you want to get really fancy, you can use Velcro, you could probably sew it on, but I didn't really care about all that. I just wanted to cover up the white factory paint that showed under part of this. So now all I have is my cleaning supplies in a basket here. I do have a couple of tools down under there, a pillow for my girlfriend, and weight reduction for days. So on the interior, there really isn't anything to note. I am, however, going to go ahead and pop the hood. So we're gonna go take a look at under the hood. Alright guys, so as far as the engine bay, I have the APR carbon fiber intake box with a filter here. As you can see, I obviously took off the box portion. I'm running open filter right now because it's springtime, it's really nice out, and I love the sound that it makes. Once the summer comes around and it gets time to clean up this filter, I'll go ahead and throw on the box and run it that way. It's running a high pressure fuel pump. This thing is freaking insane. This is a Hitachi. I love this thing. Following the intake is a RACINGLINE intake inlet pipe. Back behind there is the Integrated Engineering catted downpipe. Currently this car is running 32 pounds of boost. Because I actually removed the muffler on my APR exhaust, it does make a little bit of a burbling sound. Here, check it out. Here we have a little bit of fitment going on, so it's actually running on the H&R lowering springs. These guys are dope. It gives the car virtually no body roll while allowing it to drop almost an inch on all four corners. It rides superb on these lowering springs. I cannot recommend them enough. They're actually insanely good. Now, I absolutely love this car. It could not be a better commuter car and a sports car. It drives absolutely superb. I've driven 2,000 miles on it in one straight trip, and although it may not be perfect on gas, it was still an amazing driving car. So thank you guys so much for watching. This has been a walk around V2 of my Stage 2 Plus Volkswagen Golf R, and I will catch you guys in the next video.